Right now, the sun is 150 million kilometers away from Earth. It lights our days, warms our oceans, and keeps our entire planet alive. But imagine something impossible. Imagine the sun suddenly disappearing. No explosion, no warning, just gone. What would happen to Earth? Would we freeze instantly? Would gravity disappear? Would the planet be thrown into deep space? The answer is far stranger than most people expect. Because the first thing that happens is actually nothing. If the sun vanished right now, you wouldn't notice immediately. In fact, no one on Earth would. Why? Because light takes time to travel. The sunlight reaching us right now left the sun about 8 minutes ago. That means if the sun disappeared, Earth would continue receiving sunlight for 8 more minutes. The sky would still look normal. Day would continue as usual. Birds would still fly, cars would still drive, everything would look completely fine. But exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds later, everything changes. Suddenly, the sky goes dark. Not like sunset, not like night. Complete darkness. The sun disappears from the sky instantly. The moon stops shining, because the moon only reflects sunlight. Without the sun, the moon becomes just a dark rock in space. Stars would appear in the sky immediately, even during what used to be daytime. But darkness isn't the biggest problem. Gravity is. The sun doesn't just give us light, it holds the entire solar system together. Its gravity keeps Earth in orbit. If the sun disappeared, its gravity would disappear too. But something interesting happens. Just like light, gravity also travels at the speed of light. So Earth would continue orbiting normally for about 8 minutes. And then, our planet would suddenly stop curving around the sun. Instead, Earth would shoot off in a straight line, like a rock released from a slingshot. Our planet would become a rogue planet, drifting through space forever. If you enjoy exploring insane space scenarios like this, subscribe to the channel, because the universe is full of situations that completely change the way we see our planet. Now let's see what happens next. Because losing sunlight is where the real problems begin. Without the sun, Earth loses its main source of heat. But surprisingly, the planet wouldn't freeze immediately. The oceans and atmosphere store a lot of warmth. During the first few hours, temperatures would begin to drop slowly. Within a few days, the global temperature would fall below freezing. Plants would stop photosynthesis almost instantly, which means the food chain begins collapsing. Within weeks, most plant life would die. And that means most animals would follow. As weeks turn into months, Earth gets colder, much colder. Average temperatures could drop below -40 degrees Celsius. The oceans would begin freezing from the surface. They wouldn't freeze completely right away. Water holds heat very well. So beneath the ice, liquid water could remain for a long time. Deep sea ecosystems might survive for years, maybe even centuries. But life on the surface would struggle almost immediately. Meanwhile, Earth continues drifting through space. No sun, no orbit, just a frozen planet traveling through the galaxy. The sky would look different now. Stars would shine brighter than ever, and the Milky Way would stretch across the entire sky. But the temperature keeps falling. After about a year, Earth's average temperature could drop below -70 degrees Celsius. Most of the atmosphere would begin condensing. Parts of the air itself would start freezing. Our planet would slowly turn into a frozen world. But surprisingly, life might not disappear completely. Deep underground, geothermal heat from Earth's core still exists. Some microorganisms could survive. Certain life forms near deep-sea vents might continue living, hidden beneath kilometers of ice, far from the frozen surface. But for humans, the surface would become almost impossible to survive. Earth would become a dark, frozen planet wandering the galaxy. All because one star disappeared. It's easy to forget how much we depend on the sun. Every plant, every ocean current, every breath of oxygen, all powered by that single star. Without it, Earth wouldn't explode, it wouldn't burn. It would simply grow cold, silent, and drift alone through space. But if you think losing the sun would be terrifying, wait until you see what would happen if a black hole passed near Earth. That video is on your screen right now.